Hey everyone, summer vacation is here and it's the perfect time for fun and relaxation. It's also a great opportunity to learn new skills that can shape your future. So instead of spending hours on screen, let's learn new skills to become more creative, confident and independent. So in today's video, we will explore the must-have skills that every student should learn this summer vacation. From communication to technology, creativity to fitness, we have got everything covered. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you are excited to level up this summer, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. So this topic is divided into 6 major categories. That is, the first one is communication and public speaking skills. The second one is creative and artistic skills. The third one is technology and coding, then life skills and independence, then physical and mental wellness, and the last one, but not the least, environmental and social skills. So are you all ready and excited for improving your skills in this summer vacations? Okay, that's great, amazing. So first, let's talk about the most important skill, that is what? That is communication. Whether it's speaking confidently in public, writing effectively, or expressing your ideas clearly, communication plays an important role in every aspect of your life, right? So what are the must-do activities you should do in this summer vacation is public speaking and debate. So practice in front of mirror or with your friends. You can make a group of your friends and practice with them, right? The second thing you can do is storytelling and creative writing. You can start a summer blog or you can write short stories. So the third point is learn a new language. It can be Spanish, French, German, or even a sign language, or it can be your regional language, right? So now we have a pro tip for this point, that is try recording yourself speaking on different topics and see how you improve over the time, right? Next, let's boost our creativity, because we all know creativity skills are not just fun but also help in problem solving and innovation, right? So the fun summer activities you can do at your home is drawing, painting and digital art. You can use the tools like Procreate or Canva, because I have made this PPT on Canva as well. So Canva is a very good software. You can try and you can improve yourself. The second one is photography and video editing. If you are interested in the digital world, then capture your summer moments and make a vlog. Then the third one is DIY craft and home decor, because every student have different areas of interest, right? So you can do whatever you like the most. So try fun DIY project with the recycled materials, right? So again, we have a pro tip, or we can say the fun challenge is make one creative artwork each week and share it with your family and friends, because you will get the confidence, you will get the appreciation from your family and friends. So the third point is, we all know in today's digital world, as we all know, knowing how to code and use technology is a game changer, right? So summer is a great time to build technology, or we can say your tech skills, right? So the tech skills that you can learn in this summer is, the first one is basic coding. You can learn the Scratch, Python, JavaScript and make your own game and apps. Although there are a lot of YouTube channels, through them you can learn all these things at your home, right? The second one is robotics and AI. my God, artificial intelligence. This is the era of AI. So try small DIY robotic projects and you can learn the AI from the different courses that is available on YouTube or different websites. The third one is website or app development. Learn WordPress and develop a simple mobile app. Right, again now we have a fun activity for this skills as well. Join an online coding challenge or hackathon. From these things you can improve yourself a lot, my dear students, right? So you should try all these things in this summer vacation and you can be a different version of yourself after trying or after learning all these things. So life skills are as important as academic skills. Let's use summer to become independent and responsible. So what are the important life skills? Plan your day with a to-do list, and I must say plan your day a day before, right? Then you will see the difference. The second one is basic cooking, because learn easy fireless recipes like smoothies, sandwiches and many more things you can explore on Insta or YouTube and many other social platforms. The third one is again a very important skill, that is money management, right? Start saving your pocket money and learn the budgeting, because I have learned this thing from my early childhood, right? So you can also learn all these things at your home. The fourth one is decision making and problem solving. Try solving real life problems creatively, because in our today's world we all know only those build successful businesses who solve people's problem and become entrepreneurs, right? So you can try solve people's problem and you can do wonders in our today's life. And what can be the summer challenge? Try handling small tasks at your home without your parental help, right? So in the observation of your parents, but without their help. And the next one is physical and mental wellness. So are you ready to improve your physical and mental wellness? Okay, so we all know staying active is super important nowadays, right? So let's focus on fitness, mindfulness and self-defense this summer. And what you can do yoga and meditation, because I do yoga and I have seen a difference, or we can say I have learned so many things from yoga and meditation. The second one is outdoor activities, that is it can be swimming, cycling, running or playing a sport, your favorite sport. It can be football, volleyball, badminton, whatever you like the most. The third one is self-defense training, because it is also important training nowadays. So basic martial arts or karate you should learn in your early childhood as well. So the last one is healthy eating. Learn about nutrition and healthy food habits, right? Because how much calorie you are consuming and how much you are burning, that is important. The calculation part is important. So what should be the goal? Maintain a daily fitness routine and track your progress, right? So the next skill is environmental and social skills. Okay, so we all have responsibility to take care of the environment and we are socially responsible, right? So what can be the eco-friendly activities? It can be gardening and composting. So grow plants and learn about sustainability. Then second one is volunteering and helping others. Join a local community and service project. Then triple R, that is reduce, reuse, recycle. Adopt an eco-friendly lifestyle. Again, we have a fun challenge for all of you. Start a Go Green project and encourage your friends and family to join this project. So I have one more bonus extra tip for all of you, that is your family activities, right? Because family is everything. what we can do at your home or at our home, we can play board games like कैरम, चेस, सुडोकू, ठीक है, और बहुत सारी पहेलियां भी हम खेल सकते हैं. देन वी कैन स्टार्ट बुक रीडिंग एंड डिस्कशन. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी किताबें हम पढ़ सकते हैं और उनके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. एंड द वॉलंटियरिंग as we have discussed in the previous slide. So that's it for today. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment box, right? So I'm quick recapping all these activities, that is communication and public speaking, creativity and artistic skill, tech and coding, life skills and independence, physical and mental wellness, environmental and social responsibility, and the bonus tip is family connectivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's make this summer fun, productive and unforgettable. See you in the next video. Till then, hit the bell icon for more amazing content every week, or we can say every day. So that's it from my side. A small request from my side again is please share this video with your one family or friends. So that's it. Bye bye. Take care and have a happy Sunday. Happy vacation. Bye bye. Take care.